tanong, yung newest single ba namin o si Terry yung nagustuhan nyo?
Ano?
Bastos
Terry,
to.
Terry. Terry.
Oy, wag niyo akong materi-teri.
Come down here. Nakakaselos na.
Let's give it up for Terry Zhang, guys.
Kamusta Manila?
Dollar question, Terry. What, contestant number 1, what is your favorite Filipino dish?
Damn. I gotta say, okay. So I was trying. I didn't hear what you said, but
There's
I
some
was
coaching
trying
happening over here.
The CC.
Sisig!
I was trying CC at lunch, and that was fire. That was fire.
Terry loves sisig. Sino marunong magluto ng sisig dito?
Oh, yeah.
Talaga? Talaga?
Grabe ah.
Pag kami gusto nyo magluto, tas pag kayo lulutuan nyo si Terry,
Alam na natin niya kung sino yung nag-chat
kaming inuutusan nyo mag-vlog, mag-TikTok, mag-live, tapos siya lulutuan nyo.
Alam niyo ba mamaya, yung mga nagtaas ng kamay, i-review ko yung stream, i-review ko, sino to mga to. Ito. Ano na to? Ban na to sa concert natin. Hindi na papapasukin.
Hindi, diyan paglabas nila may scanner dyan.
Oh, may scanner.
Makikita yung mukha na, ipapas nila.
Nagtaas ng kamay to. Hindi ko kapasok.
Terry Joe! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much, Terry Joe.
That was fire.
Thank you so much, Terry.
Thank you.
Gusto niyo ba makita siya mag-perform? Huwag na natin patagalin pa.
Hindi pa ako tapos sa inyo. Wala na siya, ngayon mag-uusap tayo.
Oo nga.
Tama na yan.
Hindi na nakakatuwa yung mga ginagawa niyo at
Hindi!
Kaya sinawa niya.
Hindi! Sino yung marunong magluto ng sisig?
Yun, napakadami talaga.
Marunong kayo magluto ng sisig?